This video from shopstuff.co.uk, we're taking a quick look at the NCS 2200 banknote counter. The NCS 2200 is our entry-level note counter, the first machine in the NCS 2000 range. So it's a fairly basic entry-level machine, but it's very reliable and will count all your banknotes. The limitations of the machine is that it doesn't have mixed note sorting, so you can't put different denominations down at a time. You can only count one denomination at a time, and it doesn't have advanced counterfeit identification features. But if you've already taken the money, then whether the money is fake or not is a little bit irrelevant because you are now responsible for it. Okay, so I'll show you the basic operating mode of the machine. You have a standard free count mode. It's dead easy to use. All you do is take one bunch of single denomination banknotes, adjust the size guides, pop the notes in the top of the machine, and the machine will count them for you, so you get a total of notes counted. It'll count polymer notes as well as the old style cotton banknotes. Count all the polymer notes that we've tested. It'll count all the cotton notes, so it'll work euros and dollars as well. There's a couple of Scottish polymer notes mixed in here as well, so they're fine to use on the machine. In addition to the free count mode, you also have an add function. This is simply for cumulative count, so if you've got a lot of a particular note denomination, you can simply place the notes in the top, count, put in the next bundle of them, and the machine will keep adding up until you've finished your count. The other function you might be interested in is batch, so you can set the batch to a default quantity of 100. Or if you keep pressing the batch quantity, it'll toggle to different ones. You've also got a plus minus button, so if you've got to count a specific odd amount of notes, you can arrow down or up, plus or minus, to get to that quantity. We do have machines that will have a keypad version on them, so enabling you to type in the batch quantity, but the plus and minus is quite quick because you can scroll from the default batch settings. So if we set ours to 11, put the notes in the top the same, and it'll stop at every 11th note, allowing you to dispense certain quantities or values of the banknotes. The machine is supplied exclusively from shopstuff.co.uk and includes a standard remote display and also a service kit. You can check out our other videos appearing on screen now, which will be the next level of machines up from this machine, or you can visit shopstuff.co.uk to order this model. Thanks for watching.